Hello, I'm Paul Montague. I'm International Schooling's Global Director of Partnerships. I'm privileged to be here today with Camila. Camila's come from Ecuador and she's one of our outstanding teachers in international schooling. Camila, it's a pleasure to meet you.
A pleasure to have you here too.
Thank you. From your perspective, what makes international schooling a different type of school?
Okay, if I have to talk about international schooling, the first thing that I will mention is that having students around the world, it's something that not only as teachers make us teach, but make us learn. Let the students talk, let the students share their experience with you, let them share their knowledge, and you are going to be finding a lot of diamonds in them. Let them shine in the classes, and international schooling lets them do that. Share their knowledge, learn from us, and have a different perspective about life.
Perfect, thank you. I know from your perspective that most of your teaching, in fact all of your teaching, is in a one-to-one basis. Can you explain that to us, please? Because it's not normal for an online school or a face-to-face school to offer a one-to-one teaching model.
Yes, commonly we have group students, but having one-to-one session led us to have a personalized education for each of our students, to check their requirements, how we can personalize more the classes, how we can reach to them in a better way, which methodology to use, and which perspectives we can have. We have sessions one-to-one, the student and the teacher. Of course, they are not alone. Sometimes the parents are around, but as teachers, we are covering the whole situation for them, just to personalize the learning process and to find the best way for them.
Perfect. And what age ranges is the one-to-one teaching and learning available for?
It's a lot of them because I teach elementary students that it's one-to-one, but also I teach from grade 8 until grade 12 one-to-one, so everyone is able for that.
Okay, fantastic. Well, it's been a pleasure getting to know you, Camila, over the last couple of days. Thank you for everything that you're doing. I know from the students that I speak to that you're teaching that you have an incredible impact with them. And thank you very, very much.
Now, I thank International Schooling for this big opportunity. You know, we're celebrating our students' progress, and I hope I can still be in here for many years teaching with you.
Well, we certainly do as well. Thank you.
Thank you.